Fixing a wobbly toilet fast is key to avoiding messy leaks and annoying noises that drive you nuts. So, first off, check if your toilet bolts are loose. Usually, just tightening those makes a big difference. If the wobble sticks around, grab some new wax rings because the old one might be squished or damaged, causing instability. Before putting on the new wax ring, make sure the flange, the pipe fitting on the floor, is clean and not cracked or broken. If it is, you might need a flange repair kit. Sometimes, the floor around the toilet gets uneven, so try shimming under the toilet base with some toilet shims or even a folded piece of cardboard to level it out. Don't forget to clean up any water or mess before pushing the toilet back down so it seats properly on the wax ring. After you set the toilet back in place, tighten the bolts slowly and evenly. Don't crank them too hard, or you risk cracking the porcelain. Once everything feels solid, caulk around the base to keep water out and give it a finished look. Finally, test it by sitting gently and giving it a little wiggle to make sure it's rock solid. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing a wobbly toilet is over-tightening the bolts, which can crack your toilet and cost you way more to fix. Always tighten bolts just enough to stop movement. Another common issue is ignoring a damaged flange. If it's broken or corroded, replacing or repairing it is a must because no wax ring will hold well on a bad flange. Also, skipping the step of leveling the floor or using shims can leave your toilet unstable even after changing the wax ring, so don't forget that part to get a permanent fix. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making home projects way smoother for everyone involved.